There we go. Full bobbin. And Jamie, this is your old machine. I got the thing fixed, but you have to use something curved to hold the bobbin against the little nubby, or else it will not spin, because it moves to the left, and there's no adjustment I can see that will allow me to make it hold it against there. So that's why you need to hold a back end of a screwdriver or something to keep the bobbin from pushing out so far that it comes off the nubby that it needs to do the bobbin winding. Anyway, so that's a class 15 bobbin winding, and now I need to tighten the clutch back up to make it sew again. Yup. Now it's back to sewing situation. Okay. All right. Come on. Why the heck isn't it stopping?